Managing Flood Crisis Management. Hello, I'm Felicia Liu, and today I would like to share the importance of crisis in your food processing facility, especially during floods. First and foremost, ensure the safety of all employees. Evacuate everyone immediately to a designated safe area. Once everyone is safe, focus on securing the facility to prevent contamination of your food products. Next, assess the damage with a calm and clear mind. Check for any compromised equipment and have a plan for cleaning and sanitizing affected areas. This is essential to maintaining food safety and meeting your HACCP and SQF standards. Communication is key. Keep an open line with your team and any relevant authorities, including the CFIA and FDA, to ensure compliance with all safety regulations. Remember, having a solid crisis management plan can minimize downtime and help your business recover more swiftly. Visit our website for your crisis management template with a complete guide. If you need assistance with strengthening your food safety programs or ensuring compliance with HACCP, SQF, CFIA, or FDA requirements, we're here to help.